Damn, it is big too.
What the hell? How the hell did it get cracked again? That's a 2-inch crack. But Mom just left for her cruise under my tummy cracks.
I hate my yellow sandwiches.
Oh my god. It cracked again.
What?
How? I barely dropped my fucking phone on it. It barely made contact.
God.
We're going with our friends all around Asheboro to different stores and everything. So we'll film about it, but I have my head strapped for the car.
Yeah, I was thinking about cooking this pizza or something.
Well, I went by and got some more hot dog grease, but I don't have yeah, I need to figure this more too. Let's do it here. And that Hawaiian and ham out there. Let's do it.
Hold up.
No explanation, 'cause baby you're the boss.
Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time.
Taking a picture and see. What did you do?
I kicked the damn rock. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. I'm already sweating.
How's it going to location? Let's do it.
Oh shit.
Feels like it's been moved from the water. Is the other one still here?
The water's so pretty. I want to go down in it again.
There was a tree right here.
Girl, somebody hold my hand.
Yeah, clear it out. Seriously.
What's that going to do? Hey, baby.
Don't splash us.
You're getting us wet.
I'm not going. My fucking shoe is wet.
I'm gonna get this tree. Hold that.
My shoe done got hot wet.
You'll live.
Ugh. It's okay.
I'm gonna have to pick her up, sit her on this one over here, okay?
Don't drop her, please.
It's okay. It's okay. He's 190 pounds, baby. It's okay. Whee! There you go. Cool. There's spiders and shit. Lucky, I'm good.
There's a mosquito on the face.
Y'all want a piece of gum to help y'all through this?
Y'all getting me overstimulated.
Well, stim.
I don't want to stim.
Baby, don't do this.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa!
What the?
This is actually I'm suspect.
Stop!
I'll go down there. Go down there.
Go down there.
Go down there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Don't. Stay.
Is it venomous?
Stay.
Bitch!
Baby!
Is it venomous?
If it's not a garden snake, then yeah.
God, we barely walked 3 feet and we already see a damn big ass black.
Now you're obviously quiet back there. You good? Yeah. Okay.
Totally.
Just make sure.
Well, I want to get out of here. It's getting hot as hell.
Hey, we'll get no cooler.
Well, I don't want it to start not feeling good. Because when I overheat, it's not pretty. I feel awful. What are you smelling? Sorry if you say something creepy. Are you vocal stimming? What was that?
We got 32 more.
What? Dude, is he okay?
Alright, walk.
Is he overstimulated or no?
Go ahead, walk. It's okay. Look at me. It's okay. It's okay. Baby.
Why?
Yo, better move. Move.
Why? What the you sense? Bet you're gonna start bolting if y'all don't tell me. What the hell are you?
Growling!
What do you sense? What are we sensing? Why is he charging like that? You mean run? You make me overheat and your symptoms flare up. Where did he go? Dylan? Dylan. Dylan? Why is he growling? Dylan, dude. You tweaking. You good? Run! Bitch, run! But where are we going? Oh, if you tell us to run to the fuck... Why are you telling us to run? Okay, great! Nicole, you're freaking me the fuck out. What? It's gonna make me fucking collapse. Hello? What? Why? What? What? I don't know if I fucking will.
No, come on. Follow me to the truck.
What's wrong?
I'll tell you later. Come on.
Okay, great. You better not be. You still out here? Why? Nicole, I don't feel well.
That's right up low from that fucking porch.
What the fuck? Nicole! And of course, my chest hurts. Mine's stuck near wood. Happened?
Baby,
What happened?
what happened to your chest?
Skinwalker. I said I'd turn around and stand around the freaking porch.
What is?
Skinwalker.
Ain't no way we saw a skinwalker.
No, that was no fucking blood on that was not paint on that fucking porch. Go that way.
Ain't no way we just saw a fucking skinwalker.
It was the first time we went, but the second time, guess he got mad. I think that fucking snake was protecting him.
And then there was a skinwalker? Yeah. What? So y'all didn't experience any of this when y'all hang out, right?
No, this never happens when we hang out.
Great, so when we come along there's a skinwalker?
No, it was just because that black snake, it sat there.
But I don't know what it would be back there.
I don't know, maybe they'll call
Who did they need?
I don't know. Maybe they'll call you back.
Let me see here. Here, baby, walk around and spray that a little. I'm sorry.
Oh, what is that? I don't know.
No, it's spraying right in the face.
Spray it over there in the corner. I think it was the trash can. I moved it out. Febreze. We've done.
Well, I've got the windows open. I don't know what else to do, y'all.
Alright everyone, so we haven't filmed in a little bit. We're in a couple of days from the weekly vlog, and there are some bad reasons because of that. Yesterday on October 1st hit my husband's 1 month anniversary with spinal cord injury of C1, C2 complete, but it ended on a bad note because one of our friend's dogs passed away. His name was Gus. He passed away from a brain tumor. He's been having that for a while, and he was suffering a lot. And so they had to put him down yesterday, and we they posted about it, and we read the post, and it was very sad. Me and my husband almost cried when we heard about that. And today, one of our friends also got broken up with and everything. I almost cried about that because they were bawling and crying, and I just didn't like to see that. So the last couple of days have been a little bit difficult for me and my husband. We will forever miss Gus dearly, and he was an amazing little doggy, but he's passed away, which really does suck. And our friend is finding ways to try to cope with now having her ex-boyfriend and everything, and we're just finding ways to cope through these losses and everything. But yeah, that's an explanation on why we haven't been filming for the past couple of days. And we also did have like a little senior meeting today about cap and gowns and rings and everything, which is an unexpected senior meeting. But yeah, that's basically all the updates, and I will see y'all in the next bit. Bye. About everything. Zero playlist. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What? It's totally removed your channel from YouTube and everything. Let's see if I have repeated. It says, "Hi, our world. We have reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violations of spam, deceptive practices, and scams policy. Because of this, removed your channel from YouTube. We know this is probably very upsetting news, but it's our job to make sure it can be a safe place for all. If we think a channel severely violates our policies, we take it down to protect other users." And, yeah. But it's still there. I don't know if it does delete. I found that right as Mom stubbed her toe. Mom stubbed her toe so hard it made her cry. I just sat there, wrote October. I wrote a weekly smiles entry. Our world. We have removed. What? YouTube, what the hell? Hold up. And it said we had removed your channel. And then I heard Mom run into a crate. And she, oh no. And she cried. And I said, "Oh my God, you worried me." But then, YouTube account notification. Hi, our world. We're pleased to let you know that we've recently reviewed your YouTube account, and take a look. We can confirm that it's not in our violation of our terms of service. We have lifted the suspension of your account, and it will once again active and optional. We'd like to thank you for your patience while we review this case. Our goal is to make sure content doesn't violate our community guidelines, so that YouTube can be a safe place for all. Sometimes we make mistakes trying to get it right. We hope you understand. We're sorry for inconvenience or frustration this has caused. Now I'm sure that I will get deleted out of nowhere. It better not, because we have 2 years of progress on there. We're 3 days into October. And every fucking day has been filled with luckiest? Bad luck. I'm not kidding. In 1 week, we saw a skinwalker, a YouTube almost got deleted, a death of a dog. Maybe I'm not excited for my 1 year. Maybe this isn't the month. Maybe this is not the month. What the fuck? Oh my God, my heart sank when you said that. No. YouTube don't scare us like that. Because we have wedding videos, we have diagnosis videos. Tell me not to make it to my wedding again! Again for the stupid damn Instagram account that got deleted August 1st. And for the damn YouTube channel that almost done October 3rd. Can I not even make it to my wedding without 2 things get deleted? Alrighty guys, this is the end of the week. So far we're 4 days in October. It's the morning of So we don't know what else will happen. But so far October has been crap. And this has been a crappy week, but we'll see you in the next week. Bye.